Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I am going to take retirement of partner chapter 4 12th standard illustration 7. In this problem we are going to see the balance sheet of Jaya, Maya and Mamta as was as follows. Partner sharing profit and losses 3:3:2. And now here the balance sheet is given. Let's move towards the adjustments. Now over here we have to see this thing. Okay, they are asking to pass journal entries in the books of the firm. It means they are not asking to prepare us to partners capital account or revaluation account or profit and loss account or balance sheet of the firm, but we have to post simple journal entries. So I have already made an account of journal entry in the books of firm, but for easy method of journal entries we'll have to do some working note, and in that we will obviously have to prepare revaluation account and partners capital account, so that it's easy for us to do posting in the journal entries. Okay, so we'll prepare only revaluation account and partners capital account. We are not going to prepare new balance sheet. Okay, because only these things are important for journal entries, so we'll concentrate over there only. Okay, so let's get started. While solving you will understand how I am doing this, why I am preparing revaluation account and profit and partners capital account, because it will be easy for us for the posting of journal entries. Okay, so over here we'll move towards the adjustment side. Now livestock assets are revalued as under. Okay, livestock rupees 24,000, plant and machinery means these are all revalued, means some depreciation or appreciation is done over here. So what we'll do, directly we'll do the calculation. Okay, now in balance sheet it was given, if we would have prepared new balance sheet, this posting would have been gone to new balance sheet. Okay, but we'll be doing directly calculation and putting the result in revaluation account. So livestock is 25,200 and they are saying now the value of it is 24,000. So it is obviously depreciation. So we will write in the first, we'll write over here to livestock. Now depreciation is done. So 25,200 minus over here 24,000 is given. So we get how much amount? 1200 in the outer column. Okay, then next plant and machinery is valued as 32,000. so plant and machinery over here it was 34,800, means it is also depreciated. So we'll write over here to plant and machinery. How much will get, the difference will get 22,800. Okay, next then equipments 16,800, before it was given as 16,000. it means equipment has been appreciated, value has been appreciated. So by equipment, this is only working note. Okay, so how much it is going to be? Equipment it's given 16,000, now it's valued as 16,800, means 800 it's increased, appreciated. Then next, an item of 400 from creditor is no longer a liability and hence should be properly adjusted, of 400. Okay, then it will go over here by creditors 400. Next, Mr. Ram, our customer, may or may not be able to pay his debts rupees 2,000. it means RDD. Okay, so to RDD, how much? RDD is not able to pay 2,000, so it will go over here 2,000. Okay, hey, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, I forgot to say, if you are new to my channel. Then next is the amount due to Mamta be transferred to her loan account. Okay, the balance is going to be transferred to her loan account. Nothing is said about the cash and all. So what we'll do, we will be calculating these amounts. So we get over here as 6,000, and this we get loss by partners capital account, and will distribute it between all partners in their given ratio. So Jaya, now until now you must have learned how to do calculation, okay, from our past videos. Okay, so the difference we get is 16,000 minus this, so we get 4,800, and we'll have to distribute it between their sharing ratio, which was given as 3:3:2. It means we will get 4,800 and we'll distribute it between the ratio. So we get 1,800 and 1,200. Okay, we'll transfer this amount in the capital partners capital account to over here to revaluation loss. Okay, how much? 1,800. Okay, then 1,800 and 1,200. Now just check over here, in a question it's given capital is given, so we'll be transferring this amount also in profit and loss adjustment, capital partners capital account. Okay, so don't forget that. By balance carried down, in the old balance sheet it's given 48,000, then 52,000, and next is 36,000. Okay, anything more which has to be added in partners? Bills payable, no adjustment is given, it will go in new balance sheet. Creditors, okay, over here general reserve 16,000, it has to be distributed between all the partners by 3:3:2. So we'll write over here by general reserve, we'll distribute the amount in the ratio of partners. 6,000 we get, 6,000 and 4,000. Okay, now anything else which has to be transferred in capital partners capital account? No. Okay, then what they are saying over here, in last adjustment the amount due to Mamta be transferred to her loan account. So what we'll do, we will be closing this Mamta's account, and how much we get? Mamta's account we get 40,000. Okay, and over here also we get 40,000, and the balance Mamta, it will be 38,800. Okay, now this will go to her, to Mamta loan account. Okay, this now this if we would have made new balance sheet, we would have put this posting in the liability side of new balance sheet, but we are not preparing it, so this will come over here only. Now we'll close rest of the partners account. So we get balance over here as 58,000, and here also we get 58,000. 58,000. Okay, and the balance will come on the debit side as 56,200 to balance carried down. Okay, and here also we'll close this account. Other partner we get 54,000. okay, 54,000, and here also we get 54,000, and the difference we get we'll put over here 52,200. Now if we would have prepared new balance sheet, this balance would have gone in the in the new balance sheet, but now we have got the rough idea. Now we'll go towards the journal entries. This way you will have to prepare an account. Now general reserve, first we'll put the date 2019, okay, April 1. Now it's the same date, so that's why we don't have to put every time the date, okay, it's fixed. Now we'll go in the revaluation account, partners capital account, and we'll put the posting of journal reserve. okay, so how we'll do journal in journal entry, it will be as general reserve account debit to Jaya's capital, to Maya's capital, and to Mamta's capital. okay, so let's move over here. We'll write general reserve account debit. okay, okay, and whole amount, what was the whole amount? It was 16,000. okay, over here see 16,000. so we'll write in the debit side as 16,000, and to all the partners name, to Jaya's capital, Jaya capital, capital 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 account, to Jaya, Maya, and Mamta account. okay, now we'll put the amount over here. From here we can get the amount. okay, 6,000, 6,000, and 4,000. 6,000, 6,000, and 4,000. okay, and narration will have to write being general reserve distributed distributed among partners. okay, narration is important. Then you, if you want, you can put a line over here. okay, okay, this way you can put a line. okay, now next is what, we'll take all the revaluation account to livestock, to plant and machinery, to RDD. Now see, if we prepare these kind of accounts now, it's very easy for us to do journal entries. So next we will be writing as revaluation account, revaluation account debit, isn't it? It's easy for us for posting. In one go we can do all the postings. Debit. okay, now we'll write to livestock, to plant and machinery, to RDD, to livestock, to plant and machinery, account, to RDD account. okay, now amount over here, it is 6,000, and the amount we got from here is 1200, 2800 and 2000. Okay, so livestock we got 1200, then 2800 and 2000. Narration will write being assets depreciated and RDD provided on debtors. Okay, now this is done. So I will put a bottom line. Okay, now this is done. Now next we will be putting this side. Okay, credit side of revaluation account. So buy equipments, buy creditors to revaluation account will be getting. So we'll write buy equipment, only equipments account. Then next is what? Creditors account to revaluation account. Now this is debit. And the amount is 800, 400 and okay, 1200. Okay, and narration being equipments appreciated in value and creditors decreased okay, and here we'll be writing, we'll give one line. Okay, now next we'll move towards now Jaya, Maya and Mamta will be debited to revaluation account. Okay, next Jaya capital account. If you want, you can write Jaya or Jayas debit next is Maya capital account debit and Mamta capital account debit. revaluation account. Okay, now amount we'll have to put as 1800, 1800, 1200 and 4800. Narration: being loss on revaluation distributed and transferred to capital account. Okay, bottom line. Next, now over here we can see Mamta's loan, the rest amount, last adjustment we can see the amount due to Mamta be transferred to her loan account. So this also entry we'll have to do. Mamta's capital account debit to Mamta's loan account. Okay, Mamta's capital account debit to Mamta loan account. How much we had transferred? 38,800, and here also 38,800. Narration: being balance amount due to Mamta transferred to her loan account. Okay, so here is the entry which okay, now here it is done. Anything more is there? Let's see. No, everything is done. Okay, so I hope you must have understood all the entries which I have made. So that our journal entries, these entries become easy for us now. That's why we have to prepare partners capital account and revaluation account, though they have not asked, but for us as a working note we should prepare. I hope you have understood this. So don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new, and do share it with your friends. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a good day.